Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my first ever skincare routine that I've ever posted on my channel. This is going to be so much fun. I'm so excited to finally be able to share my skincare products that I've been using for the past couple of years actually. Some of these I've literally used for 2 years straight and they've never failed me, so I'm super excited to share my morning routine with you guys. This one is a little bit more simple than my evening routine. My evening routine will be going up later this week, so stay tuned for that. And if you didn't see the first video that I posted kind of about skincare, which is where I talk about how I healed my body and how I kind of cleared my acne from the inside out, that had a huge impact on the progress of my skin. Of course, products do help in, clearing the skin and keeping it in tip-top shape, but if you haven't seen the first video, I'll have that link down below. Before we get into it, I have a couple of disclaimers I wanted to make. First of all, I've tried so many products, and these are the products that I have been using. They are predominantly from the same brand. This is not sponsored by this brand in any way. You guys have no idea how many skincare sponsorships I've turned down over the past 2 years, just because I really wanted to make sure that when I did bring a skincare routine to the table, that it was truly what I've been using for years. There's one newer product that I'm going to be sharing with you that I've been truly loving, and the rest I've been using for seriously 2 years. So I'm really excited about that. Also keep in mind that a lot of these products are a little bit pricey. This is something that I choose to invest in, and also please remember that because of my job, I am lucky enough to get sent a lot of these products too. So I've been sent some of these, some of them I've repurchased over and over again myself, but I wanted to make sure to mention that as well. So first things first, I like to use my little headband. I get these off of Amazon. They're just like little Velcro. They come in a multi-pack with a bunch of different colors. I love these. I use these morning and night. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on really quick. Also, you guys, I wanted to mention that when I started seeing my esthetician, she started to help me clear up my acne. She actually has her own products that she had me use, and so I wanted to make sure to mention that because she has some incredible products that really help to clear my acne initially, and she's wanting to put those online, so once she does, I will definitely share all of those products with you. But I just wanted to mention it here because there are some other products that I did add in over the past couple of years that have contributed. With that being said, like I said before, I've used these products as well for about 2 years, and these are all available right now, so that's why I'm going to be sharing these specifically with you. This is my current routine. Let's get right into it. I feel like I'm chatting quite a bit. So first things first, in the morning, I don't always wash my face. If I feel like I wake up and my face is really balanced, I leave it as is. I will just splash water on my face and kind of give it a good rinse to wake my skin up. If I feel like I wake up and my skin's doing good, I don't need to mess with it. I have a cleanser that I have been incorporating into my morning skincare routine recently, and I've been loving it. It is something that's very new to my collection, but I'm still going to share it with you guys because this is my current skincare routine right now. So we're going to cleanse the face today. I'm deciding to use the cleanser, and I will show you guys what it is right now. So this cleanser is from Holy Frog. Again, this is a brand that I have just barely started trying out, but the whole message of the brand really resonates with me. It has very clean ingredients. The pH level is balanced, which is something that I personally look for in my skincare because the pH of your skin really sets your skin up for success. So I'm really obsessed with this cleanser, especially in the morning. It's a very gentle cleanser. If you're somebody who has dry skin, you will love this. I am obsessed with it. So this is called the Toshmu Water Lily Nourishing Milky Wash. Isn't the packaging so cute? So this is what we're going to use today. I'm going to go ahead and wet the skin. And then I'm going to do about 1.5 pumps of this cleanser. And I really have been loving this cleanser in the morning because, again, it's so hydrating, it's super balancing, and I feel like it's been making a huge difference in how the rest of the products that I apply perform. I like to sit here and really just kind of give myself a moment to enjoy the cleanse. So I'm just going ahead and working this into the skin. I'm not being harsh at all. I love the smell of this, and it feels so hydrating on the skin, which is so important for me, especially in the winter right now. My skin is so dry. Okay, so after about a minute or so, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off. I seriously love this cleanser, you guys. I used to not care too much about cleansers. Obviously, I had my go-to favorites, but this brand has really changed my opinion about that. Okay, I'm gonna go dry my face. And of course, I always like to pat my skin dry. I don't like to rub it too much, otherwise that can kind of irritate the skin. So I'm just gonna pat that in. My skin never feels tight with this, which is something that I always look for in a cleanser. If my skin ever feels tight or stripped, I feel like it's too harsh for the skin, and this does not do that at all, like at all. It actually kind of does quite the opposite. Makes my skin feel so soft. Okay, over the past couple of years, I have become absolutely obsessed with vitamin C in my skincare. There are a few different vitamin C products that I have tried out, but this is the one that I have used the most. I've gone through the most bottles of this. I like to mix it with something else, so I'll show you really quickly. If you've been following me for a while, it's no secret that Drunk Elephant is probably my very favorite skincare brand. I just love that there's no extra harsh ingredients, so you get really good high quality ingredients without like the extra fluff that can potentially irritate your skin. So I like to mix these two. The first thing is this right here. This is the B Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. This is especially my favorite in the winter time. And then here's the vitamin C serum that I love. It's the C Firma Day Serum. So it literally says day serum. It's meant to be used in the daytime. I love to use this in the daytime. I also love Drunk Elephant's packaging. You just twist up the cap and then you can pump out the product. I love these. So I will show you. I do 1 pump of B Hydra, 1 pump of the C Firma. And I just mix those two together for a minute in between my hands, and then I go ahead and apply it all over the skin. Vitamin C has really helped with like my acne scarring. Also, I do a lot of like the resurfacing treatment kind of products in the evening, so stay tuned for that again. If you're watching this video later and I already have the video up, I will have the playlist down below. So I do a lot of treatments for like my hyperpigmentation in the evening, but vitamin C works incredibly well for pigmentation for me as well in the morning. In the daytime, I typically like to use more of a lightweight moisturizer. This is one of my very favorites. It's also from Drunk Elephant. It's this right here. It's the Proteini Polypeptide Cream. I absolutely love the packaging on these moisturizers as well. So I just do 1 pump of this as well. That is usually more than enough for me, and I go ahead and work this into the skin right on top of the B Hydra Serum and the C Firma Vitamin C. It's just nice. It kind of has more of like a gel consistency, but it's like water-based too. It's really nice, especially for underneath makeup. I never have issues with any of these products under makeup, by the way. Like every time you guys see me in the beginning of a video, I have these products on, and they never interfere with how my makeup goes on, which is great. So we're gonna go ahead and do eye cream next. This is like my favorite eye cream, you guys. This is a vitamin C eye cream. I have noticed a huge difference when I use this consistently in the dark circles underneath my eyes. They're kind of prominent right now, but seriously, this works so well for me. I love the consistency of it as well. And yes, this is also from Drunk Elephant. I've been using all of these products since they launched. I just realized that like some of these products are not even 2 years old to the brand. So I've been using Drunk Elephant for 2 years, but some of these other ones maybe a little less than 2 years. So I take about this amount on my ring finger, and I like to just go ahead and apply that, focusing it kind of where I get the most dark circles, and I work it underneath the eye area, and then I always take my eye cream on my eyelid, making sure to work it on the outer portions of the eye right here, outer portions. I don't know why I chose that word. But basically all over the eye area, you know, where you would normally put an eye cream. Okay, if anybody knows me in real life, they know how obsessed I am with sunscreen. And if you watch any of my makeup tutorials, or if you've seen, you know, a lot of my videos, you've probably seen that I love sunscreen. I love it so much. I have several different sunscreen brands that I love to use, but I keep Drunk Elephant sunscreen in my bathroom for when I'm doing my skincare routine. So I have 2 from Drunk Elephant that I want to share with you. One of them is actually almost gone. I need to go buy a new one. It's this right here. It's the Drunk Elephant Umbra Sheer Tint Daily Defense Physical Sunscreen. You can see how much of it I've used. There really is not that much left in here. So there's that one, and they also make a tinted version, which I love. This is their Umbra Tint Physical Sunscreen. So I love both of them. Sometimes I'll mix them. Sometimes the tinted one works better for me in the summertime, and I use the original quite a bit. So the thing with these sunscreens is they can give a white cast, especially this one. It's because of the zinc. So I have learned with my acne prone skin, I steer clear from chemical sunscreens. I love physical sunscreens, so that means a ton of zinc in my sunscreen. So I use sunscreens with both zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. These are just straight zinc, I believe. Yeah, 20% zinc in both of these. So they can give you a white cast. If you have deeper skin, you might want to try the tinted version. If you have very deep skin, Supergoop makes some of my favorite physical sunscreens that do not give a white cast at all, so I will have that link down below. Zinc also calms the skin, so for me, being somebody who usually has red, irritated, acne-prone skin, the zinc not only protects me from the sun, but it also helps to calm any active breakouts. So I kind of got a lot in my hand today. I'm going to use about that much. I know it's quite a bit. Okay. And I have learned that it works best to really kind of melt this product in the hands before you go and put it on the skin. So I like to do that. I'm just going to use the original today. And you'll see that even on me, you can see the white cast at first. It does take a minute to blend in, but I love this sunscreen. I also always take it on the neck, and I make sure to put it on the ears as well. So I'm just going to spend a minute blending this in. Once I feel like it's blended in quite a bit, I like to press the sunscreen into the skin. I feel like that offers me more protection. I don't know. I could just be making that up, but that's what I do. And then I like to take whatever's left on my hand, and I like to press that on top of the eye cream, both underneath my eyes and also on my eyelids. Because everybody forgets to put sunscreen on their eyelids and around their eyes, and it's like the thinnest skin on your face, so I like to make sure to protect that. And then I take what's left, and I always put sunscreen on the back of my hands. That's a place where everybody forgets to put sunscreen as well. Okay, so we're almost done. The last thing I like to do is apply a lip balm. This is actually a sleeping mask, or it's supposed to be like a nighttime mask, but I love to use it in the daytime as well. This is from Laneige, and it's their lip sleeping mask, and you can see how much of it I've used. I actually already bought a new one during the Sephora sale, and I need to grab that soon. I'm just trying to like get through every last drop of this. So I like to take a little bit of that, and I like to apply it on the lips. I actually love this in the daytime because it kind of has like a soft, light pink tint to it, and it just makes my lips look fresh. I love it. Alright you guys, so that completes my morning skincare routine. I will have all the products listed and linked down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you find it helpful. These are seriously like my ride or die go-to tried and true products. They are incredible, so they've really helped with the improvement of my skin as well. It really is a combination of everything. It's not just skincare, because I even remember like when I was first trying to figure out my acne, I tried so many different products. I always felt that more was more, and I always felt that, you know, the more things I tried and the more frequently I switched my products, you know, maybe the quicker I would find something that would work for me. But that's not the case. Again, like I said in the beginning of the video, I've been using these for years now, like years straight, and it's kind of difficult because I get sent so many new like skincare products on the regular, which again, I'm so grateful for, but it's difficult for me because I want to try so many different products. But I've learned that I really have to stick to the basics, and I really just have to incorporate one thing at a time into my skincare routine if I'm trying something new. So yeah, this is my current morning skincare routine. I'm really happy that I'm able to post this now, and in the future, if anything changes, I will be sure to make updated skincare routines from here on out. So really quick before I close out the video, I want to show you guys my skin in natural light so you can see how everything looks. I feel fresh, I feel dewy, I feel protected from the sun. I'm ready for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Allie, and I would love for you to join the family. You can do so by hitting the subscribe button, and if you're already a subscriber but you want to be notified on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, click on the bell after you subscribe and you'll get a notification every single time I post. So that's it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm feeling fresh-faced and ready to take on the day. Hope you guys have an amazing day wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye!